To my YouTube channel again. So guys, in this video we will see how to fix internal error occur in your Google AI Studio. So guys, if you're facing such type of issues that your Google AI Studio showing the internal error while you are using it, so guys, it is very common and there are several reasons behind it. So in this video we will see how to fix it. Okay, so guys, first thing is guys, you simply refresh your page once. Sometimes the simple refresh also resolve this issue. So guys, you simply click and refresh your page once. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to switch off your browser memory optimization. So guys, aggressive RAM saving features can terminate your background process for the AI Studio. So disable your memory saving feature. For this guys, simply go for the option of settings. Maybe it vary from browser to browser. Okay, so guys, here you go for the settings. In the settings guys, here you see the option of memory saver. So make it is turned off. Okay, it helps to keep your browser fast. Then guys, go back and guys, you also try to verify your Google Cloud project authentication. Error during app loading often indicate the API key or the permission mismatch. So ensure you are using a personal account and generate a new API key to update your project. Okay, another thing is guys, you simply try to check your internet connection. Sometimes the weak internet connection is also the major reason behind it. So you check your internet connection is properly working or not. Another thing is guys, you reduce your thread context window length. Massive chat histories can cause the termination issues with the server array. So start a new chat or switch your model like Gemini Pro to the Flash to force a new server assignment. Okay, another thing is guys, you try to check the Gemini server. For this you simply go and search for the Gemini, then you simply search server status. Okay, now you go to the official website. Here you see the option of Google Studio.status. So you just click it, Google AI Studio, and here it shows all the uh, detail about servers. So last incident happened in 9 June and the issue with the Nano Banana and detected issue has been resolved. We are explaining the issue Nano Banana. This is about the description what they detect and they resolve. Okay, these bars are, so this is partially outage, that is okay, no issue were recorded, and this is for full outage. Okay, so this is the way that you can identify. Another thing is guys, you try to clear your hidden local storage blockage. Sometimes the corrupt blockage data and your cache is creating such type of issues. So you simply go for the Google Studio, then go here, then click the option of settings. Okay, no settings, go for history, then open history page. Then guys, here you see the option of delete browsing data. Here you choose your browser and cookies and click delete from these devices. Okay, so this is the way that you can done. And guys, thank you and have a nice day.